When Gato Rainbow and Gata Moon went to the Middle Ages, they had the coolest hats in the world, Princess and Court Jester. So, as you may have guessed, today we make Princess and Jester hats. Learn with El Gato Rainbow and La Gata Moon. For the princess hat we need foam sheets, ribbon, silicone, sequins, and scissors. Let's make a triangular template for our hat. Fold it in half and then fold it again. In the center, make a line from the end of one of the folds to the top corner. Now we have the template to make the triangles on our hat. Calculate how many you need to cover the head of the boy or the girl who's going to put it on. Trace it several times on the foam sheet. Cut them. And we're going to glue them overlapping each other using silicone or glue for foam sheets. It's decoration time! You can use whatever you want. If it's a kid who's decorating it, they can paint it, glue felt shapes, sequins, stickers, whatever they want. Now cut 3 pieces of ribbon. And stick them on the back of the hat, slightly moving them so they're separated. Now with more silicone, close the hat carefully, making sure that it is well glued. With another piece of foam, cover the tip so that it has a better finish. Cut the excess underneath. And that's it! It looks great! It's not exactly like Gata Moon's hat, but it's very cool. Perfect for dressing up as a medieval princess. Do you like it? Gata Moon was so happy with her hat. When you finish this tutorial, don't miss our Middle Ages episode. Now let's make the Jester's hat, also inspired by the one that Gato Rainbow wore on his trip to the Middle Ages. We will need foam sheets in 2 colors, felt of another color, rattles, scissors, and the same triangle we used for the princess hat. Trace and cut out the triangles of one color and the other. Cut a strip of felt approximately 5 centimeters wide. And stick the triangles overlapping a little. Put the rattles through the peak. And seal them with silicone so that they don't come out. Glue the two ends carefully. And there you have it! Look what a cool hat we made! You can already be jesters like Gato Rainbow! Which hat did you like the most? Leave it in the comments. Subscribe so you don't miss next week's adventure. We'll go to a fun place. See you next time!